Hello everyone. Day 6 for my count. Maybe it's 7 for the others. Okay. Today I'm not feeling too good. Just feeling a bit tired. Maybe it's worry. Yeah. And anyway, I'm here with my live videos to cheer you up. So what am I making today? Okay. Today I am making, well, this actually is a Chinese recipe, but I've just changed it into fusion, okay? I'm never satisfied with anything and I like to do a lot of changes, okay? So basically, this is what I'm making. I'm actually making Chinese spring onion cakes. Well, cakes, bread, whatever you can call it. Hi, Lee. Okay, now I will show you the recipe, yeah? It's quite easy, okay? What I do is, just a sec. Yeah, I'm using 2 pans, so I need to be in control. Okay, look. Okay, this one is done. Okay, so this one is transferred. Okay, now what I do basically is I have made a dough. And this is a dough of spring onions. Hola, Sergio. Hoy no muy bien. No estoy muy allá. I have made a dough out of spring onions, yeah. In Spain, it's not easy to get spring onions. Thank you so much, Kavita. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much for watching me and making me feel very nice. So basically, I just want to tell you my dough, okay? Now, this is spring onions. It is actually, you know, now with this quarantine, not easy to go to Chinatown. Yeah, so what I am doing is I have used, in Spain we get something called cebolla tierna, which are actually big onions with green stalk. They taste exactly like spring onions. So I've chopped them up, okay, and I've added to it salt, pepper, white pepper, and white flour. And I've added some oil and a pinch of baking powder. I will put the recipe on the blog, okay? So basically, I've made a dough, and you can see this is a very soft dough, but at the same time, it's very pliable. My cameraman is not there, so I'm going to try and break a piece for you now. Well, my cameraman is busy talking to my son. It's not that he's not there, see? And I can easily break a piece, yeah? It doesn't stick to my hands, look. Yeah? So this comes with a bit of practice, okay? I cannot tell you the exact amount of water. So I have rolled it. Now I cannot roll it perfectly. And with one hand, I'm going to try and manipulate it. Okay, I did it. Wow. Okay, so basically, now you have to cook it on a frying pan, okay? And you have to keep on adding oil, yeah? So I have here sunflower oil. You can use any oil. And you just add the oil to give it a nice crispiness. So what happens with these breads, look at them, they are really, they look nice, don't they? Yeah. Hi, Tricia. They are like crispy from outside and soft from inside. So they're not like a biscuit, okay? So this one is more or less done, okay? Yeah, look. So I don't have, I can't one-handedly, let me try roll at the same time, okay? But basically, this is what it is, yeah? It's a nice thing to make. It's easy, okay? It's not time-consuming. And it's a nice way to use up your onions. And it's a lovely bread that keeps long. So you can have it, you see? And you press it, yeah? You keep on pressing it. I will upload the recipe properly, but I just wanted to show you all the technique. Oh, yes. Thank you. I will. Yes. I will send you the recipe. It will be on my blog, okay? So, I will be putting up. Today I wasn't feeling too good. So, I haven't, I had a lot of plans to put a lot of recipes on the blog, but I couldn't, because I wasn't feeling too good, but I will do so. I have now many days, lots of recipes, lots of cooking I will be doing, yeah. and lots of innovative stuff, which probably I've never done before. So this is the breads, yeah. This is going to my son in Madrid. These are all for him. Hola, Juanma, ¿cómo estás? ¿Estás bien? Sí, yo guisando, mira, como siempre. Una receta, yeah. So, this is easy to make, yeah, with just few ingredients. You don't need a lot of complications. It's good to pass your time because all we have right now is time on our hands, yeah. And if you don't have spring onions, you can even use normal onions, yeah, chopped very fine. That's okay. Hola Silvia, por fin, ¿cómo estás? Estoy haciendo unos panes, ok, de cebolla tierna, ¿vale? Pero solo la parte verde, ¿vale? Y yo luego lo pongo, la receta, pondré la receta en el blog, ¿ya? Pero es más para enseñarte cómo lo hago, ¿vale? Entonces, es muy fácil. Aquí tengo la masa, ¿vale? Y es muy fácil. Lo que pasa es que, claro, hay que saber cuánta harina y cuánto cebolla. It doesn't matter because actually the onion depends on how much you want to put, yeah? Thank you. Should I speak in English? I don't know if I should speak in English or Spanish. Yeah. So you have to, this needs a lot of oil because I wanted this is going to Madrid, so I want it to be nice and crispy, and I want it to keep for a few days. So basically this is it. Look, está por fuera crispy y por dentro blando. It's like crispy from the outside and soft from the inside, and it's very delicious, yeah, because it's just got these ingredients that give a lot of flavor. It's very simple recipe, yeah. Look, and you have to keep on pressing it. Sonal kaisi ho? So you have to keep on pressing it, and that's about it. Kajol, look, I'm making spring onion, you can call them breads, you can call them rotis, you can call them spring onion cakes. It's a fusion, it's my own recipe. I just put together a few ingredients and just made it. So this is it, yeah. The recipe will get onto the blog sooner or later. I don't know when. I'll try tomorrow if I'm feeling better, yeah. I'll put the recipe, yeah. Okay, so do you want any questions? I can't ask you guys to even request for any recipes anymore because with these times it's very difficult to get ingredients. So my children don't want me to go out of the house under any circumstance. They want me to stay at home, which I think it's the correct thing to do, right? To stay at home. So because I'm staying at home, I'm making do with what I have. Okay, so I'm just using basic ingredients in the house to try to be as creative as possible with my recipes and to give all of you some new ideas, and maybe you also could do the same in your house, yeah. Okay, so I'm signing off for now, yeah. I'm feeling a bit tired. Like I said, I'm not feeling too good. So I will see you probably tomorrow with another recipe. Yeah? Is that okay? Yeah? Bye.